Hello, just wanted to show you my super simple wire stripper. All you need is a piece of angle iron, a hole, and a razor blade welded to the angle iron. So I'll demonstrate it. A piece of angle iron. There's a razor blade, so the razor blade hangs down past the hole just enough to cut the insulation. And all I have to do is put the wire in, pull it through. That's it. Into the bucket. That end is messed up. That's it. Strips it. Into the bucket. Get a lot more money for this. So there's just the hole for the right size diameter wire you need, and then you just weld a razor blade, just a normal utility knife razor blade. Welded so it sticks past the hole. You can see that. Just like that. Money in the bank.